Kellogg's Frosted Flakes are more than good.
Grab some double cheeseburgers at BK.
Nah, I'm gonna get one at McDonald's.
Why? There's a BK right there.
I have these tiny hands.
They're not that tiny.
They are that tiny. And that double cheeseburger or BK, it's so big, it's gonna make them look even tinier.
What if I hold it for you?
This message has been transmitted at the request of the New York and New Jersey Emergency Management Agency in conjunction with local police departments and the National Guard. At 9:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a disaster of unknown type took place in the New York metropolitan area, causing major damage to communication, electricity systems, and infrastructure. An immediate evacuation order has been given by the New York and New Jersey National Guard and state police and local law enforcement entities. This situation is highly dangerous. Do not try to attempt to cross into New York City. An evacuation route has been set up in order to evacuate efficiently and safely. If you do not have a motor vehicle, go to your nearest bus station, police station or fire station and await further instructions. Do not try to enter the city of New York under any circumstances. Stay tuned for updates on this station or official news sources.